Hey language learners, and welcome back to Cattaleya English. Today we are tackling something really important that can trip up even advanced learners. Common English mistakes that everyone makes. We all want to sound natural and confident, right? Well, sometimes the simplest things are the trickiest. Let's dive in and fix these 5 common English mistakes. First up, a classic, saying "listen me." Does that sound right to you? Probably not. The verb listen is a transitive verb in this context, meaning it needs a preposition to connect it to the person or thing being listened to. We don't just listen a person directly. So instead of "listen me," you should say, "Listen to me carefully, I have important news. Can you listen to me for a moment? Please listen to me." Think of it as paying attention to the sound of someone. It always needs that little too. Next we have "it depends of." This is another common one that often gets mixed up with other prepositions. The phrase "depend" is always followed by the preposition "on" or "upon" when indicating what something relies on or is influenced by. So forget "depends of" and remember, the cost depends on how many people come. Whether we go to the beach or not depends on the weather. Your success depends on your hard work. This phrase tells us that something is not fixed but changes based on other factors. Now for a grammar point that can lead to some confused wedding plans. The phrase "marries with." When we talk about two people getting married, the correct preposition to connect the person getting married to their spouse is "to," not "with." So instead of "marries with," use "marries to." She marries to John next month. He married to a wonderful woman. They married to each other in a small ceremony. Remember, it's about the union to someone. This mistake often pops up in reported speech or embedded questions. You are trying to say that you know something, but you put the question word in the wrong place. When a question word like "where," "what," "when," "who," "how" is part of a statement, it doesn't follow the same word order as a direct question. The subject comes after the verb. In a statement, the word order is subject plus verb. So after the question word, you put the subject first and then the verb. So the correct way to say it is "I know where it is," not "where is it." She asked when the train arrived, not "when did the train arrive." He told me what his name is, not "what is his name." It's like you are reporting a question but not asking one directly. Last but not least, this one is very common when people are trying to ask for the name of something. We use "how" to ask about the manner or method of something. To ask for the name of a thing, we use "what." You should ask "what is it called" or simply "what is it?" So next time you see something you don't know the name of, say, "What is this called?" "What is that?" "Excuse me, what is this ingredient called?" How is for how something works or how to do something, not for what it's named. So there you have it, 5 common English mistakes to watch out for. "Listen to me," "it depends on," "marries to," "I know where it is," "what is it called?" Which of these mistakes did you find most surprising? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more English tips. Thanks for watching, keep practicing, and see you next time!